Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change cell height and width in Google Sheets. This is a fundamental skill that helps you organize your spreadsheet data more effectively and makes your information easier to read and present professionally. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your Google Workspace applications, including Google Sheets, where we'll be making our adjustments. Now, once you're logged into your account and have a Google Sheet open, you'll notice the grid of cells that makes up your spreadsheet. Each cell is defined by column letters across the top and row numbers down the left side. This is where we'll be working to adjust both the width and height of your cells. Let's start with adjusting the width of a cell. Look at the top of your spreadsheet where you'll see the column headers, those letters like A, B, C, and so on. Between each of these letters, you'll notice a thin vertical line. This line is your key to resizing column width. Simply move your cursor to hover over the line between any two column headers. You'll notice that your cursor changes to a resize icon, typically showing two arrows pointing left and right. Once you see this icon, click and hold your mouse button, then drag the line either left to make the column narrower or right to make it wider. This gives you complete control over how much horizontal space each column takes up. Now let's move on to adjusting the height of your cells. This process is very similar but uses the row numbers instead. On the left side of your spreadsheet, you'll see the row numbers running vertically. Just like with the columns, there are thin horizontal lines between each row number. Position your cursor on the line between any two row numbers. Again, your cursor will change to a resize icon, but this time it will show arrows pointing up and down. Click and hold on this line, then drag it up to decrease the row height or drag it down to increase it. This allows you to create more vertical space for content that might need multiple lines or to condense rows that don't need much space. These simple adjustments can dramatically improve the readability and organization of your spreadsheet. Whether you're working with long text entries, numerical data, or creating reports, being able to control cell dimensions ensures your information is displayed exactly how you want it. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently adjust both the width and height of cells in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.